Hi, Noel. Thank you so much for your poems this week. I know you said you were traveling, so thanks for getting these to me by deadline. Um, so I will say that your poems this week feel a little bit more like notes towards a poem rather than a completed creative project. I think you may have spoiled me with the poems that you've submitted in previous weeks that have been such high quality and so well thought out. So, what I want to encourage you to do with your edits moving forward with these is taking these poems and, yes, add more details. and it- do you need to more add more to it? Yes, I think you do. So I think these are great starts. Where I would go from here is instead of just listing these facts of this person and their relationship to Vegas, really spend some more time fleshing that out. Where's the sensory detail about Vegas? Um, it's a very quick jump from married in Vegas, moved to Vegas, quadruple bypass, bought a house in Vegas, right? It's just it's very sharp. The transitions are very sharp here, so I think there can be a little bit. This poem could be a little bit more fleshed out with detail. In terms of language barrier, I think this is such a great topic um, to discuss. This idea of in families that speak different languages, and some members do and some members don't speak that language, how they feel separate or divided from their own heritage. I think this is a really important topic. So I really want to encourage you to return to this and spend some more time with it. Thank you so much. I hope you got home safely. And if you're still out and having adventures in the world, I hope that it's somewhere cooler than Tucson.